Location option not showing in Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So if you also do not have the location sticker in your Snapchat, let me tell you what to do. So first, go to your settings, then go to apps. After that, find Snapchat. Then tap on it. Go to its storage section and then tap on clear cache. The next step is go to your Play Store and make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat. Search for Snapchat, and if there is an update button instead of this open button, simply tap on it and get the latest version. Make sure you have turned on your location in order to get your location sticker. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.